Okay, hello my viewers, this is from Code for Tomorrow again, and today we will build a profile app using Fragment. Okay, here we see the preview of this app, and we will just build like a app which just a profile. Okay, that's enough for intro, and now it's time to build the app. Okay, new project, profile app. Okay, the app is ready for work. Okay, now go to XML and we just set a linear layout. Okay, linear layout and no text view. Okay, we just set a background color that will be I just save it in here. You can write the code. I just copied it into here. Okay, that will be green or pretty. Okay, now we just use another linear layout, and this weight will be GDP. Why it's GDP will be clarified just in a minute. Okay, or match parent, close it. Now we just use white sum. That means we just divide it. We want to divide the screen. Okay, we divide this into 3 parts. That's why we just set the void sum in 3. Okay, now just set layout white 1 not 0.9. Okay, we just set a list view in here in list view. Okay, white wrap content. Later match parent that will not added not available. Oh, sorry. Okay, give a ID, list view ID. Okay, sorry. Okay, now it's okay. Margin left 7 dp and background white. We know that white for triple app. No, not white. It will be green light. Okay, I saved the code in here, and you can just write it. Oh, sorry. Okay, this will be good. Okay, list select color. I say gray, but I didn't find the code. Gray. Okay, white. Okay, list select color will be white. Okay, nothing more actually. And we just want to set our divider class in here. That's why. Sorry, linear layout. White it's not necessary because we'll set white sum match parent. White layout white. This will be 0.050. This will add in a value that we will see later, not now. Okay, now we just set for 1 dp in here. Sorry, 1 of the screen in here, and the rest 2 is empty. We just set frame out in here. Sorry, fragment. Yeah, fragment. It's okay. No, sorry. We must edit it in a linear layout actually. Linear layout and white no height match parent. Okay, white, sorry, white 2. Okay, that uses to the rest 2. Now in here we just set fragment. Okay, fragment white match parent. Okay, sorry. Okay, fragment id, fragment id. That's all. Okay, we didn't we don't see anything in the fragment because we didn't set actually anything in here. Now we just go to main activity, and first of all we just check the list, find the list view, and here, okay, list view, list view, yes, this is that list view. Good. Okay, and find the list view from in here. List view is equal to find view by id, r.id dot list view id. Okay, that's it. Now we just want to set some strings in this list view. That's why we just set some string name, string name. First one is Habu, then Kabila, and Shuka Harsh. And I just set Sarar, Nawab, MIT. But you can add it more and more strings you want. But I just set it. Now we want to edit this string in the list view. That's why we need to take help from array adapter. Okay, string is equal to array adapter. Adapter is equal to new array adapter. You can pass a string in here, and you can, if you don't want to pass anything, that's not necessary actually. That's why if you don't want to pass anything, that won't show our wrong. Okay, now in here we just pass this context main activity dot this. We can set main activity this or only this. Okay, now we use android dot r dot layout dot simple list item. Why this is used in here? Because Android have some list view which is built in, and we just use one of the list view from there, but we can actually create them in manually in the ID or whatever it is. I don't want to show that. I just use this. Okay, that's it. First one is we just pass this context, then we just used the built-in list view, and then we just set the strings what we have made. Okay, now just set this list view one dot set a adapter. This will actually set this all to the list view. Now we just use a say on click listener, that will be list view mode dot set on item click listener. This will work on the list view for every items. Okay, pass this, and in here we must implement adapter view dot on item click listener. Okay, enter auto plus enter, and okay, click OK, and now come in here, Okay, for our works we must set some fragment. Go to fragment and blank. Make sure that you uncheck these options. We don't need this. Just use this one. Create layout XML. Okay, finish. Port androidx fragment. Okay, and you just use the on create view. Yeah, fragment of androidx fragment. Oh, sorry, fragment. If the position of the list view is equal to 0, then we will show this fragment is equal to new blank fragment, which we created blank fragment. This will go to the new blank, fragment. Yes, fragment. Now we will use some functions for fragment. Fragment manager. First one is fragment manager. Okay, fragment manager is equal to get fragment manager. Get fragment manager. Okay, okay. Okay, we will use only android.fragment, which will actually we use this one. Android.app.fragment manager. Okay, and in here we just select android.fragment manager. Okay, now come on the second things, fragment manager, then fragment transaction. Okay, fragment transaction is equal to fragment manager dot begin transaction. Now we just replace the fragment view in here. Fragment transaction dot replace r dot id dot fragment id. Yes, and pass the fragment object. Yes, then just fragment transaction dot commit. Yes, now we will arrange this fragment. Okay, hello blank fragment. Okay, now go to fragment blank, and in here we just set frame layout. Okay, we just set the background, so what we have used in the list view background. Okay, copy it in and paste it in. Oh shit. I did. What the hell is going on? Okay, that's okay. Now we just choose linear layout in here. Linear layout. Okay, and this orientation will be match white match parent and height wrap content. Okay, first one is we just use image. Okay, set the orientation vertical. That's it. We just use a image view in here. Image view, match white match parent, height will be 240 dp. Good. And scale type x fit xy. And so the picture, I just select some pictures in my collections. You can download pictures from internet and just copy it into drawables. Yes, here it is. Okay, first one in here I just use the source drawables habu. Okay, and we just see the pictures. Good. Now we just use some text views and some details about habu. Actually, linear layout, white wrap content, and the height will be 31 dp. Okay, we just set some margin in here. Margin top, 15 dp. Oh, sorry. Where it is? Oh, we just set it into this. Okay. Margin top 15 dp and margin left 20 dp. Oh, sorry, not speed dp, it's dp. And margin bottom 20 dp. That's enough for arrangement. Now we just use a image view. Image view and left in here. The image width will be 14 and dp, and height will be 14 dp. Oh, sorry, 14 dp. And the image, the image we just select from the drawables, set right click and new vector. Where it is vector. Okay, in here we just use the message vector. Just write message. Okay, sorry, message inbox. No. Okay, just use this one, or email. Yes, email. Yeah. Okay. Next, finish, and we just select email. Yeah, that's it. And in here we just insert a text view. Text view will be select text. Okay, wrap content. Oh, sorry. Text auto link. I just use auto link at it as mail. Okay, email. Sorry. Auto link email, and gravity will be layout gravity, yes, center vertical. Now we just use a margin left because it touches the email box. Margin left 20 dp. Then the text will be text will be habumea @gmail.com. Okay, that's pretty. And text style will be bold. Text style will be bold. That's it for now. Okay, we just use another linear layout. Copy and just paste in here. Okay, you'll work for this. Click it. Margin, everything is okay, but margin top don't need 14-15 dp. This need actually in here. Margin left, margin bottom will work for us, and the image won't a message box, it will phone. So we just create a new vector that will be phone. Okay, phone, local phone Android. Habuma uses for Android phone, so we use this one. Okay, Android black, yes, that's it. And we set the text view. This is actually the phone, not email. 017 plus 8801667788899. That's it. And the auto link won't be email, this will be phone. Yes, and we will work for this one. habumi@gmail.com. okay, and just clear the margin top. This one need anymore, and we just in here skills button. That's why we just need new drawers. Go to vector and just select library books. Okay, and we just set in here so Java, C++, C#. Now we just set another text view in here. Text view, wrap content, text view. Okay, text scales, text style bold, and layout gravity center. Okay, we just see the scales but not the text. Okay, text alignment on center, but the text is not clear, so we can set the gravity, layout gravity, we set it, yeah, central vertical, but what the text is. Okay, we can set the size, text size 15 dp, 15 spx. Margin left is 20 dp, and gravity is central vertical. Gravity central vertical. Now it's comes in the line, yes, and we just set margin left 20 dp, this will be 4 dp, like this. Okay, now we just work for this. Margin top will be west, and we just want to some other things like hobby, vector asset. Okay, we use this images, there's storybooks, library books. Okay, and in here we just uses another text view like this, and this will be actually hobby hobby auto link, no, it's not necessary in here, and text will be coding. That's it actually. Okay, we set a button in here, button with match band, sorry, wrap content, text, hire me, margin top, margin left 20 dp, margin right 20 dp, 20 dp, and background will be this one. Actually I set, if you want to not this color, then you can use this color. This one is, oh sorry, this is not actually green, what I said in here, I just forgot it actually. Green deep. Okay, we can use the lighter one. Oh, but it's my transparent. Okay, now we just set the blank fragment in here, fragment, sorry, we just set the blank fragment into a fragment actually into the preliminary page blank fragment. Yes, now go let's run the code. Okay, here we see the code is running. Okay, that's it actually what I built. Okay, now when we set click Kabela, it will change, and when we set Shukas, it will change. Okay, we going to set that fragments. Okay, if position will 1. Oh, sorry, we didn't set any fragments. Sorry, create any fragments blank and uncheck these options and finish. Another fragment, go to fragment options and fragment blank, uncheck these options. Good enough. Fragment and fragment blank fragment 1. Sorry. Oh, sorry, there is no one black fragment 2, and this one is black fragment 3. It shows wrong because we in here we just use androidx fragment, but we will use in that in their android fragment. Then you can set it into android fragment. You just need to android.app.fragment, use it actually, and the error will be removed. Hope so. That's enough. Okay, now arrange the fragment views. I just copied it from the layout blank fragment, copy blank fragment to paste. Just change the image view. This will be Kabila, and set change the text actually. First one is text view Habumia Gmail. In there here you can use kabila@gmail.com, and you can change the phone number 0660188, and the rest of the things you can keep the same or you can change. It's up to you. It's up to you actually. Blank sorry, then just copy and paste it into blank fragment 3 and change the actually image view to Shuka Hash. He is Shuka Hash, very gorgeous man. Style is Shuka Hash is here. Shuka Hash. Shuka Hash. Okay. 0122 you can change those, though it is not available. 0199 you can just change it, and the skills you can keep the same or you can change it. Okay, let's run the code for final times, and I want set for the Chara, Nobab, MIT. You can edit them anything you want or not. There's up to you. Just click Habu. Sorry, for everything it's sugars only and only. What, any mistake? Sorry, for position 0 you didn't change the position. In position 2 when we clicked in position 0 it will change show the first fragment, and when we click the second position, or the position will start from 0. That's why position 2 is actually 1. Okay, position 1 that will show the fragment 2, and for position 3 it will show the fragment 3. Okay, let's run the code again. Okay, Habu, click Habu. Kabila, it changes and it shows the about Kabila. Shukash, it changes and set about show about Shukash. You can change it. You can just use no action bar. Go to values, styles, and set no action bar. You can, if you want to actually no action bar. Okay. It's a little bit slower, sorry for that. Oh, come on. Okay, here it is, and we just use the full screen because we didn't actually set anything for these buttons. You can actually set this like we did for position 1 or position 2. You can just use open a new fragment and arrange it. That's all from today. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you all.